everyone, my name is Kanika Vig and I welcome you all to the Orator's Corner. In today's video, we are going to talk about the stage fear. I am an MBA student and over the past 12 years, I have had the opportunity to represent my school, college and university at various platforms, international and national around the country. So let's begin with the video. I still remember the first time I went to stage. It was a poem recitation and I was nervous. I was scared and at the back of my head there was one constant thought that I might forget what I had to speak. But after that, I still remember going to the stage 100 more times. But every time, more prepared than the last. This is exactly how it's going to work for all of you as well. Public speaking, or I should say great public speaking, captures both the eye and the mind of your listeners. Therefore, it's very important that we start learning and mastering the skills that are required to communicate effectively with our listeners and even our friends or family or teachers in our day-to-day lives. All these videos will definitely help you curb the problem of stage fear or talking to someone if you follow our simple tricks. Today I'm not going to get into a deeper scenario. I'm only going to talk about those few seconds and minutes before your name is announced and you have to go and face the audience. Let's assume your name is announced now. You get up from your seat and you start walking towards the stage. My plain advice to you would be, stay calm, take a deep breath, tell yourself you are prepared, realize this thing strongly inside and move on. Well, there are a few tricks that you can use to ease the tension in your body and even release the stress. The first one is gently hum to the music or your favorite videos inside your head. This will help you release stress from your body. You should reach the venue in time. Once you do that, you will have no stress as to what you might have missed. Apart from that, try talking to the audience. If these things still don't help you, try reaching your venue in time. This will help you not to stress about that you might have missed something. Secondly, try talking to the audience around you, but only the positive audience. This will help you adapt to the room's mood. And lastly, laugh out loud because this will definitely help you boost your confidence. With these simple tricks, I'm definitely sure that you will be able to move towards the stage with a lot less fear and at the same time more confidence than before. The last thing I want to talk to you about in this video is the conditioning of mind. Well, think about those horses you might see from your train's window which keep feeding even when the train passes by. What is it that does not scare them? Well, maybe they are conditioned this way, maybe they are so used to it. But what about that horse whose owner is still trying to quieten it down since it was feeding right next to the railway tracks? What can be done with such a horse? The first option is take them to a more silent place where no one can disturb them while doing so. There is no heavy traffic, there is no noise and the horse can feed itself very peacefully. Or you can drive them again to the railway tracks every day till the time they become used to such noise and traffic and things around them. Well, you know the best answer, don't you? Before I end today's video, you should always remember while you are walking towards the stage, there might be times when a glitch takes place. So you definitely need to be ready for that as well. You might stumble, the mic might fall, or who knows, you might slip. But whatever happens, don't be scared. Go on with a smile. This will help you enhance your confidence and the audience will also not let you feel awkward while you are performing after the same. Make sure when you stand on the dais, you are so comfortable with the air, the dais and the mic so that when you start speaking, all these things look like as if they are your own body parts. With this, I would like to take a leave from you today. Be confident, be graceful, rock the stage with a happy smile. I am sure this video will help you curb your stage fear. Stay tuned for the next video updates. Do like and comment if there is something that you want to discuss, or if there is something you want us to discuss for you, drop a comment under this. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope to see you soon. Till then, stay safe and stay home.